Right, today is Zippo Saturday, and we're going to take a look at a few nice ones in my collection. Now this is probably the most collectible. It's a Marlboro, and they're calling it the Red Roof. You can see why it's a red roof. Those are plates on there, pretty nice. Fires up really good, and it was made in... See, that is I of XIII, which according to the Zippo identification decoder, the XIII is 1997. So that's a really good one. It's called the Red Roof. It's a good one, and these two here are actually, they're just two of a kind because they were hand painted. They're kind of unique, and they were made, let's see, this one was made in 2012. That was also made in 2012. Of course, that's the Red John symbol. The Red John happy face. If you watch The Mentalist, you'll know what I mean. And here's a good one. It's got the Zippo logo on this red matte finish. Another good one. It's another one of a kind. And this was made in, let's see, that looks like, it's also 2012, K of 2012. Really good stampings on this. So let's do a drop test on one of these Zippos. I'm gonna pick the Red John happy face. So the Red John passes the drop test nicely, and I'm going to give all these Zippos some cowbell because they are made in the USA. Knuckle bump.